Hi friends, this is Prashant here, co-founder Indian Blockchain Institute and Snapper Future Tech. I hope you all are doing well and are safe. So, this is being something which is very astonishing to me that as per several studies and reports, only 5 to 10% of the people are actually employable. By that, what I mean is that only 5 to 10% of the working class or the working people have the right skill set to be employed. And this is one of the major hindrances leading to unemployability. And the only way to overcome is upskill yourself. With rising competition, upskilling has become one of the key priorities. And understanding this fact, IBI has come up with an exclusive program for the students, which we call it Blockchain Plus Internship Program. So this blockchain plus internship program will help you to learn in depth about blockchain technology, working on several projects, creating decentralized applications, along with an internship in Snapper Future Tech. So in this entire program, you're going to learn the entire product lifecycle development, what goes into enterprise grade applications and solutions and production. And this program is basically for students. This is about 2 to 3 months program, and it is a live instructor led program. So any person from around the world can participate in this program, can sign up, and will also get an internship appointment letter with Snapper Future Tech. So you're going to work with the industry leading faculties. You're going to get a lot of mentorship during the program and also get a lot of hands-on experience to learn about creating your own product. So even if you're looking forward to be an entrepreneur, this is the right program for you because you know what goes into the product development, what is the thought process, what kind of business model you should think about, and most importantly, how is the product lifecycle development. You need to always hear your customers out. So this program is exclusively aimed at students, primarily freshers who are looking forward to land their dream job and build their career in the technology space. So blockchain is one of the most paid skills in demand. It's the number one skill in demand. It's the best time to learn blockchain. And this is only one of a kind industry program which will help you not only learn, but also get internship. So at the end of the program, you're going to be evaluated by your faculties and get an internship letter from Snapper Future Tech, which is one of the leading enterprise blockchain companies. So this program will cover Ethereum, Hyperledger, and also internships. So you're going to learn a lot about Ethereum, which is a public blockchain, Solidity, how to create decentralized application, create your own tokens, write your own smart contracts, along with Hyperledger ecosystem and how to create create a network. You are going to learn about Golang, Kubernetes, Dockers, and so on and so forth. So this is really exciting program. This program is exclusively for you. So please sign up as we have limited seats available for this. Thank you so much and have a good day.